Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken rice casserole in the Ninja Combi. Alright, I'm starting on a pan that came with the Combi, and I have 2 cups of white rice that I rinsed. I'm going to put in 2 chicken breasts that I diced up into chunks. Now you can also do this recipe in the Ninja Speedy if you don't have a Combi. And I have a 12-ounce package of frozen broccoli florets. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. Let me grab a spoon and give that a stir. Get everything all down in there. And I'm going to put a little bit of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning in there. Use any seasonings you have on hand. About a teaspoon, not a whole lot. Give that one more little stir to get that seasoning down in there. I switched my switch up top from air fryer to Combi cooker. I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to go down to the rice pasta setting. And I'm going to press start, and I'm going to allow that to cook until it's done cooking. This is done. I had to let go on a second rice cycle for about halfway through because with the broccoli in there and the chicken added extra moisture, and it took a little longer for the rice to cook. Now while that was cooking in a Combi, in a saucepan, I took a cup and a half of milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and about 2 cups of cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, melted them down to make a cheese sauce for this. And I'm going to just go ahead and stir that in there. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. A little bit of rice there, some broccoli. It's creamy, cheesy, well seasoned, dried piece of chicken. Chicken's tender. Guys, that was really easy and really delicious. Chicken rice casserole in a Ninja Combi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.